Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Nest Wi-Fi. To begin, download the Google Home app on your mobile device. Make sure your internet modem is fully functional and connected to your service provider. You will need your Nest Wi-Fi router, its power adapter, and the Ethernet cable. Select a central, open spot for your router, ideally at eye level, to ensure the best signal distribution throughout your home. Now, let's connect the main router. First, power off your modem. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the Nest Wi-Fi router's WAN port, which often has a globe icon. Then, plug in your Nest Wi-Fi router and wait about 60 seconds for the light to pulse white, indicating it is ready. Open the Google Home app, tap the plus symbol, and choose to set up a new device. Scan the QR code found on the router's base or enter the setup key. To expand your Wi-Fi coverage, you can add Nest Wi-Fi points. Position each point about 2 rooms apart from the main router or other points for optimal signal. Plug each Wi-Fi point into a power outlet. Return to the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, and select to add another device. Scan the QR code on the bottom of each point, holding your phone about 5 inches away to seamlessly integrate it into your mesh network. Finally, you will name your new Wi-Fi network and create a strong, secure password. The Google Home app will then conduct a mesh test to ensure all your Nest Wi-Fi devices are optimally placed and working together. This test confirms your network is providing excellent coverage. You can now manage all your Wi-Fi settings, such as creating a guest network, directly from the Google Home app. Enjoy seamless and reliable internet throughout your entire home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.